got the Kreiger Micro IFAK. This will fit on the back of the AUDAX, but it's using something called the MALICE Clips instead of just the webbing straps. So MALICE Clips completely come out of the MOLLE panel on the back, and what you're going to do is open them out and thread them all the way through underneath all of these panels, all of these cutouts. Thread this one all the way through as well. Now what you're going to do is lay this where you want it to fit on the back of your AUDAX, flip it up, and you're going to do exactly the same as you would do with normal webbing. You're going to thread it through simultaneously, the first one. Now you're going to go back through the next cutouts on the pouch and pull it tight, otherwise you'll run out of like distance on these MALICE clips. Thread this one through, thread that one through simultaneously, and with these MALICE clips you thread them into these little cutouts. Thread that one in, thread that one in, and it's going to clip on nice and firm. Now, this sits as a very low profile, like micro IFAK on the back of your AUDAX. And the cool feature of this is that when you're wearing it, once this is packed, you can reach around. There's two grab handles either side. You can pull out in one direction, and then this is like an internal pouch. And I think they've designed this around an Israeli bandage, and maybe also a combat gauze. So pop these two things in, fold it over, and then when you want to fit this onto the back of your AUDAX, open out this tool wrap, pop this with the Velcro attachment on there, and you can wrap this up and wrap this up, and there you go, it keeps it compressed. So that's a really nice compact little trauma kit which you can carry on the back of your AUDAX.